Something else I do when I see the roos and wallabies, I ride sitting down under all circumstances. I don't want to be standing up. If you're standing up, you've got further to fall. So when I know I'm in an area and they're on, I will ride sitting down a majority of the time, unless I've really got to stand up in corners or something like that. But you know, I'm actually sitting down here where normally, if there weren't so many roos, or if it was in the middle of the day, I would probably be in the stand-up position. But you know, the ground's a lot closer when you're sitting down. Just a little tip. Anyway guys, I'm Kurt, Aussie adventure rider and also founder of Nomad Moto. There's a dead one, probably got hit last night. At the moment, look at this, look at that, they're just running in front of those, and I've never seen so many. So guys, just back it off. I've heard a few guys hitting roos recently. Look at this. Normally they'd dart off, or they wouldn't go for this far. They're getting really cocky, I guess because they're in such big numbers. Look at him. So he could do anything. He could run back in front of me, this guy. And they're small compared to some of the other ones I've seen, right? So, you know, there's another roo. Roos, wallabies. They're becoming roos the further as I come down the hill. Wallabies more at the top of this mountain. But, man, especially riding on your own. Hit a roo before, but I was on an 1190. I had crash bars and it smacked the crash bar and just did a few somersaults and ran off. So, he wasn't too big. But I'm paranoid right at the moment because I've never seen so many, and I was talking to some guys last night and they said their mate airlifted, he hit a roo and he was only doing 50 kilometers an hour, so they estimate 50. So a very experienced rider too.